The PatioEx by MORryde is an inflatable patio tent that extends your toy hauler's living space by enclosing the back patio area. Its unique inflatable AirBeam technology allows for setup and teardown in a matter of minutes. The PatioEx comes with a convenient storage bag and a two-way hand pump, but also has the option to upgrade to an electric pump for an even easier setup. This patio tent is designed to let you enjoy the outdoors while simultaneously being protected from most weather conditions. The multi-purpose windows on each unit offer protection from rain, wind, and bugs, but can also provide you with an open air experience to your campsite. The PatioEx straps easily to your ramp door and has been tested to withstand up to 60-mile-an-hour winds. Enhance your toy hauler camping experience with the PatioEx.